Do you find there's a difference 15 years ago till now, like where you're like you're embracing like the thing you kind of got to do, I guess, which is not.
I'm not embracing it, but I mean, I'm definitely more like I got to do. You know what I mean? I got to show up places, like you said. I got to be. You can't just fucking do what you do, which is what I always did. You know, which is to be, you know, almost agoraphobic and, you know, just show up when you want. I mean, let's face it. If you're not making the same mistakes I've made in my career, who the hell is?
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Burn fucking bridges, you know.
Which is what I named my comedy special. This is not Bridge Burner.
Bridge Burner.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I like
you
that.
are.
You burn bridges like General Sherman. I don't want to bring up a touchy subject with you, the Civil War. But
So you're understanding the game a little more, huh?
Well,
Colin?
that's
no, I always understood the game.
But you're playing the game more.
I just couldn't fucking believe, and I still can't believe
That you have to.
that I gotta stand around and that I'm still mad. I mean, I'm still mad as ever.
Now, every show do you have to fucking say hi to some people?
No, I don't mind that part. That's not.
But I'm saying, do you kind of have to? Like, can you go? I'm done. Do you just get on the bus and go home afterwards?
No
and
fucking
go,
way. He's got to
No, I
shake some
gotta go out
hands.
and say a shake. I mean, I don't really have to do that much. No, that was never the part. I'm trying to figure out what it was where I took those steps. I think it was more like I did more like you. Like I'd have a casual meeting with somebody in power, and I'd feel like the way you feel, which is you're lucky to have me here, and we're equals. When really they had all the money and all the power, and that's how you are. In my opinion, is you're like, yeah, of course we're here. I belong here. Me and Spielberg. We're equal.
He said, I belong in
you know what I
me and
mean?
Spielberg. True that.
So that's what I'm saying. I think it was.
But that's
more
why I
like,
watch you I get the cue. Because Colin is
He knows how to do it.
But I was always more pleasant. I mean, let's face the facts.
You were more likable. You weren't more pleasant.
You know,
There's a difference.
People like Colin, but he's not a pleasant man. Not pleasant.
I'm the most pleasant man in the fucking business.
You're loved.
I'm loved because I'm nice.
You're loved like Mr. Magoo is loved.
now you're crotchety guy.
That's when you know, whenever a black comedian goes back to the cartoons, they're really going to start trashing you. They always know these stupid cartoons. By the way, Keith had the best